my birthday on...
Hopefully.
Right.
I do not want to be a right-hand side pilot. I can't do in-hand turbulence. That is so cool.
Fueling initiated at 80%. Let's get that off at half. I don't want this whole place blowing up and damaging Hondo's precious cargo.
Oh, I said the whole thing to myself. That's insane.
Let's go. You're right now then.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right by them. Pilot on the right. Hold on the stick to fly. Push forward to fly out.
What are you doing?
Now let's go. Right, pilot. Bring the jump to light speed.
Oh my goodness.
Get behind the train! Get behind the train!
Lock on to us. Take evasive action.
Who's going to that? Train!
Enemy after that train.
Okay, shoot the plane at the tree.
Pilot brakes.
Brakes!
My friends, there could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
No.
Yes!
Right.
Got one! Excellent, my friends.
So we've got to
Well,
go through the white gate.
You see, just as I promised. Let's get another container. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last the harpoon.
Smash it, right?
Use the train.
Yeah, baby!
Yes. We got the Valencia. I will grab it. You keep up to that train.
Oh my god!
Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Get out of there. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry!
Down. Up.
The star of this boiler is collapsing! Hit the boosters! Now, let's get out! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxia. This will greatly help the resistance.
Hey, we got more than what we got
The
yesterday.
first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that was rough.